Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. So we have a 1976 Trans Am, finished in sterling silver. Very low miles on this car. It's got 33,000 and change. It's 400, 4-speed, numbers matching. Steering, brakes, and air, which is pretty rare. It's got the shaker. This car even came with chrome valve covers from the factory. Nice clean trim tag. Just have non-rally wheels. Got a black interior. Love the turn dash on these things. So cool. Such an iconic car. Beautiful black interior, the buckets. And 33,279 miles. God, I have 3 pedals in this car. This comes factory with the Hurst shifter. Man, so pretty.
Is he out again?
These cars are so comfortable. Beautiful dash. I really like these cars without the T-tops, if you ask me. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 photos I took today on this car and on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks.